Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
My dear Aquarius, welcome back. On Monday, you tend to think too much about everything in your life and you are doing the same thing about your romantic relationship. But being involved with another person requires emotions and feelings, not analysis and a pros and cons checklist. You are in danger of overthinking your relationship. Instead, take out some time today to consciously stop thinking and analyzing your relationship. Instead, just let yourself be and go with the flow. You need to be more relaxed and less rigid and less structured in your relationship with your partner. This will not come easily to you. You can try some relaxing activities together, like an exercise session or even a couple's massage. Make a resolution not to think about the status of your relationship today or to always try to determine what way it is going. Are you familiar with the phrase beginner's luck? It is typical for you to grasp very quickly the point of a given exercise, but also to tire of it just as quickly. For instance, if you have been somewhat regular about diet and exercise, you will feel the effects almost immediately. However, that positive effect will also make you feel like it's okay to slacken your routine. Resist this tendency by incorporating more elements into your healthy regime. Get to bed earlier and wake up earlier. On Tuesday, your tendency to attach too much importance to every little thing has been a big hindrance to your partner, who is something of a free spirit. This may even have been pushing at the limits of the patience of your partner. So, your change in attitude will come as a much welcome change to your partner. Let your partner plan the day and the entertainment today for a change, and you just do whatever your partner plans. This will lead to a better level of love and understanding between you two. You will see that you have accomplished far more with a single day of feeling as compared to what you achieved with months of thinking and analyzing. Today you will require a lot of multitasking. It will be difficult on the domestic as well as work front. Therefore, you will want to unwind and relax in the company of your partner today. A light snack in the evening after work or a candlelight dinner would work wonders after the tiring day. Focus on simple, light-hearted conversation, as it will help your mind relax and enjoy the time spent with your partner. Pay attention to what you two say, as a single word amiss might lead to rising tempers. Being a good listener is way to go. Expect a lot of phone calls from your partner. On Wednesday, it's an interesting day and full of twists. Situations you never hoped for will come true. Be prepared to have prayers answered. Your partner is in an extremely scrutinizing mood today. At the same time, he or she is totally into you today. Therefore, all his or her attention will be on you. It will be a good idea to pay attention to your appearance today. Be kind to others the whole day. Some philanthropic activity in the form of donation or helping elderly people out will be a good idea. The Mars sextile Pluto transit brings stamina as well as energy. This is a good time to multitask and crack down on tasks that require a lot of patience and verve. Believe in yourself. You are capable of achieving great things so long as you have the passion and stamina to do so. On Thursday, with the moon in your sign and in your first house of self and discipline, you may feel more sensitive and eager to explore parts of your subconsciousness which may have been hidden. Events or conversations may manifest today which draw attention to the deepest part of yourself, igniting your curiosity. This is absolutely fine. For the universe will often throw things your way to help us on our journey. The moon transit brings you into closer connection with your own vulnerabilities and enables you to view things from multiple filters, helping you on your path to well being and inner wholeness. You need to be more relaxed and less rigid and less structured in your relationship with your partner. This will not come easily to you. You can try some relaxing activities together, like an exercise session or even a couple's massage. Make a resolution not to think about the status of your relationship today or to always try to determine what way it is going. On Friday, your tendency to attach too much importance to every little thing has been a big hindrance to your partner, who is something of a free spirit. This may even have been pushing at the limits of the patience of your partner. So, your change in attitude will come as a much welcome change to your partner. Let your partner plan the day and the entertainment today for a change, and you just do whatever your partner plans. This will lead to a better level of love and understanding between you two. You will see that you have accomplished far more with a single day of feeling as compared to what you achieved with months of thinking and analyzing. On Saturday, get busy when it comes to romance. Meeting people, flirting, and having fun are in the stars. Couples have a great chance for extra sweet times together, so stop work early and make the most of it. Taking a closer look at a matter of the heart yields a fresh understanding. This weekend, you grasp both the details and the larger picture when it comes to a relationship or potential one. If you want to take it to a more meaningful emotional level, now's the time. Heart patients have worrying news for them in this time period. There is a risk of their condition worsening. Furthermore, you are unlikely to get relief from an old ailment you are suffering from. Not only this, but you can't ignore any aspect of your health. Also, pay attention to your mental well-being. Don't ignore any unusual sensation or undue stress. In order to stay fit, you need to indulge in physical exercises. A few good examples of that are gym, yoga, and jogging. It is also foreseen that you may face stress as well as anxiety. On Sunday, there's a little bit of tension between relationships and independence. Note that the grass only appears greener on the other side of that fence. Enjoy your side now and enjoy how charming people are finding you. If things get heavy, look for ways to renew your energy and your heart. Think about reducing, reusing, and recycling in an emotional context. Just in time for the weekend, you will be all fired up again and ready to explore with your partner or go exploring for one. The union of major planets is seen to be positioned in the 6th house. This means that major changes could be expected, but along with changes come newer challenges as well. Challenges could either be in terms of finances or on the work front. But what's important to know is that nothing is lost. Keep calm and try not stressing over things unnecessarily. A peaceful mind shall help you fight through this stage. But for that, you need to accept your limitations and then strive to better yourself.
Money and career.
On Monday, you need to build your hopes with courage and determination. This approach will make the day peaceful. Avoid getting tensed and make yourself more joyful. You may need to rely on your intelligence to ensure favorable results. This will be possible with your positive thinking and courage. The day will bring progressive results for you. You can utilize the time for pursuing useful purposes. Your magnetic charm and communication will draw others to you. On Tuesday, the day promises to be a favorable day for you. Securing a lot of extra benefits is also indicated. This is also a suitable day to make some major decisions. You will be able to endear yourself to your dear ones with charming and pleasant words. You have to be patient to achieve success. Learn to be more consistent with what you do so that you can be very successful. On Wednesday, travel is on the cards. Exercise caution while handling vital activities. Think twice before indulging in any activity. This day may be slightly less favorable for you. It will be good if you relax and be happy mentally, as this is most essential for the day. You may have to adjust and manage the day in a smart manner. You should keep yourselves engaged and happy through entertaining activities. You need to put in a little extra effort to ensure things work out in your favor. On Thursday, you need to be honest and straightforward. You should avoid getting emotional. Plan your actions and schedules. Plan your actions and schedules to achieve effective results. The day requires you to take things in an easy manner. You need to keep yourself motivated to ensure smooth results. This could be a day that will test your patience. This may not be a very encouraging day for you. Not much can be expected to happen. You also may not be able to witness progress and benefits accruing on this day. On Friday, you can enjoy spending money for your family, and this will make you happy. You will find the day to be more optimistic. Good development will also be possible for you. You are able to execute your tasks easily. Positive outcomes are foretold for the day. You will also be in a position to realize your potential. A most productive day for you. Benefits and support will be present through your friends. You will have a good reason to be more cheerful. On Saturday, you need to cultivate more patience and shun your emotions. It will be advisable to involve yourself in meditation or yoga, as this will give you relief. You have to make yourself happy and maintain high spirits. You could also be forced to compromise on certain comforts. It will be a little tough for you to find satisfaction. On Sunday, the day requires you to exercise control over your emotions and resort to spiritual pursuits like praying for solace. You will feel stressed due to the heavy commitments of the day. You need to adopt a calm and composed attitude for things to function smoothly. This is of vital importance for the day. Listening to divine music and participating in recreational activities will help you immensely.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.